Hey guys, so this is the third haul that we are filming for the day, but it is our final haul. It's the Dollar Tree haul, and I'm just gonna kind of go through this decently quick. I found one of these, and when I find these, I pick them up, at least to have one on hand. I saw one of these that I ended up using it to make my aunt's conversation heart wreath, and it was the only one in the store, so I went ahead and grabbed that and then made that for her. And then I went back to go find more, and these are kind of hard to find here in our town, and they had a bunch of them at the store that we went to today. But while I was at the town center walking around, which is kind of like the bougier area of our shopping thing, at Hobby Lobby, these were $5.99 for the same thing. So I was like, that's insane. So I grabbed one of these. I also grabbed a small willow and a large willow, and I have a DIY planned that I'm going to use these for. So it's going to be an Easter DIY, so keep your eye out for that. I also grabbed this. It's Cooking Concepts Organizer Basket. It comes in two, but I needed something to throw in my fridge to put all of like my dipping sauces in when I go out and get like fast food or whatever. I always ask for ranch, and I have a bunch of them accumulated in my fridge, and they're just thrown on one of the side shelves, so I thought this would kind of organize it a little bit better. I found some fashion socks that I'm pretty excited about. They're men's, which truthfully, that's weird that that's men's, but whatever. I tend to like the men's because they come up higher on my leg.
Right.
But this is really cute. It's pizza slices with
So
like
cute.
dripping cheese.
So cute.
And then this one is like watermelon. And I haven't seen anyone haul this one before. I've seen people haul the pizza. They also had pretzel and like a half a coconut with a straw sticking out of it. So I thought those were pretty cute to grab.
For sure.
I also grabbed these. I just bought the Biore strips for my face, and I wanted to kind of see about these and see how I wanted to do like a side-by-side comparison of these strips compared to the Biore strips and see how they work. So I went ahead and picked these up. I probably, that's going to be like a video that takes me a while to film because I'll have to like let gunk get on my nose, use the Biore strip, film that, let gunk get on my nose, use this, film it, put the things together. So this is something that I want to film and check out. I got this, which I don't really have a dog. I mean, I have Lucy. She's kind of my dog, but she stays at mom's. But I just thought this magnet was too cute. And it says dogs before dudes. And it's just like a little ceramic magnet. It was over in like the picture frame section. This one I thought was cute too. It says, all I care about is my cat and maybe 3 people.
And that's a true statement.
And then I got this, and it says, Namaste home with my dog.
That's me.
So I thought that was cute. And then I also picked up these. I like to have random things like these, and they sounded super good. I've been thinking about them the past couple times we had gone to the Dollar Tree. And I like to keep these near my desk and just kind of like munch on them every once in a while. So I got those. I also picked up these. Mom sent these over to my house last week, and I actually was super surprised of how good and salty and like delicious they were. So I picked up another bag of those. I picked up a Snapple peach tea. I used to be addicted to these, and now they're in plastic bottles. They're not in glass bottles anymore. But I love peach tea by Snapple, and I also saw these, which I haven't seen before, but these are Dove dark chocolates.
Oh, that's right.
And
Alley.
I love dark chocolate. Now, I plan to do a separate video on these, but I found the shea butter hand cream things. So I got the peach one, which looks like a nipple. It also looks like a butt. So I think it's hilarious. And
oh, it does look like a butt.
See, it looks like, Mom thought it also looked like a zit. So it looks like a butt that way. I got the lemon one, which after I do the video, I'll probably end up giving the lemon one to Mom. I got the apple, and I also picked up the pear. So these are all of the scents that they have, and I thought that I would do like a little individual video for my main channel on them, and if they're gonna be like worth it, worth to find them, worth to pick them up. I've been looking for these for weeks now, and we just happened to go to this one Dollar Tree, and there they were, and they had a lot of them.
Yeah,
so
they did. They
I
probably
picked
just put them out.
Yeah, I picked up all of them. They're supposed to be scented really good and supposed to be really moisturizing, but I'll let you know.
Mm-hmm.
So, what did you pick up?
I just got a few things. I got some random snacks for when I'm hanging out.
Cheese doodles are always good.
I got these for Ronald. I got cilantro leaves.
I'm not sure if I like cilantro.
It's in salsa, so when you eat salsa,
I don't really like salsa.
Mm.
So
Well,
you can put it on your stuff.
yeah. I got olives stuffed with garlic, which we love those in salads.
What brand are those?
They're Dollar Tree.
Tampa?
I think so, and they're from Peru. Where are they from?
Miami, Florida.
Oh, snap!
They're not from the Dollar Tree. They're distributed by Transnational Food Inc. out of Miami, Florida. It's a product of Spain.
Oh, Spain. So, anyway, they're delicious. I've eaten them a million times.
And those are garlic stuffed, right?
Garlic stuffed. And then now this name brand, they carry this at our top grocery stores. And I want to say that these are anywhere between $1.65 to $3.25, depending on what store.
I've never seen these before.
Yeah.
Polar
Mhm.
banana pepper rings.
Yeah. So, yum.
Distributed by Polar Foods, so that's what they look like.
I've had them before, and they are delicious. And then I got some more breadcrumbs because that's good for hamburgers, meatloaves, anything that you want to hold your meat together. And this is another thing that I said, you always kind of need a few of these in your cabinet because they're good
Is it
for
diced?
Yeah, diced. Yeah, so these are really good to have on hand. And I got a 4-pack of Cheez-Its, which I love Cheez-Its, and Pringles. Don't judge me, people.
I was just thinking that. I was like, that's a lot of snacks.
Don't judge me. And then my last but least thing was, I've never tried these before, but as the lady was ringing me up, she said, oh, those things are delicious. Have you had them yet? And I said, not yet. So
Let me see what they are. I almost picked these up a while ago. Oh no, these are different than what I almost picked up a while ago. I thought you were looking at the breakfast biscuits. These are Greta crackers with olive and oregano.
So I thought,
They kind of look like
yeah.
2 saltine crackers put together.
So they looked really good.
Is that the only like flavor they had?
No, I think they had 2 different flavors.
There was one more bag that got looked over
Yes.
from the Dollar Tree.
So they had this. It's made by Clorox, and it smells.
Fragranzia.
It smells delicious.
What is it for?
Fantastically clean.
Just like it's a multi-purpose cleaner in the scent Morning Sky.
So I figured we would like mix our own. So this is probably good for your kitchens, wipe your bathroom sinks down, things like that. Got some aluminum foil, some
Oral tooth care kit. To me, it looks like it's like a wannabe dentist kit.
yeah. So, and then this is for our new thrift store stuff today that we're going to wash, and this smells absolutely awesome, so we're going to use that. And we got some soap and some Ziplocs, and that's it.
So that's everything that we got from the Dollar Tree. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.